It's often said that the state of the economy can be judged by the number of cranes on the skyline. Our country's growth is inextricably linked with cranes. In our earliest years, ships were loaded and unloaded using cranes. Our cities were built and iconic projects undertaken, such as the Sydney Harbour Bridge and the Snowy Mountains hydroelectric scheme. Countrywide transport links were built and mining developed. Without cranes, none of these things would have happened. History tells us that the Greeks first used cranes in the 6th century BC. The first cranes were man or animal powered. Then came developments using pulleys to give mechanical advantages that meant heavier loads could be moved. And cranes have continued to develop. These days, mechanical and electrical power sources with better quality materials, combined with hydraulics, provide power to cranes that can lift bigger and heavier objects to greater heights and further away than ever before. But there have been other developments that have also improved cranes. Cranes must get to where the lifting needs to be done, and mobile cranes have developed in terms of road accessibility. Independent axles with hydropneumatic suspension provide a plush ride and absorb road irregularities to keep the chassis level and spread the load evenly over all wheels. With improvements to suspension systems, tyres, steering and chassis design that make modern cranes far more manoeuvrable and road-friendly, as shown in this axle hop plank test. Imagine a world without mobile cranes. A train is derailed. This not only blocks an important rail transport route, but may also block roads. The speed at which this kind of incident is cleared is crucial to the economy of our country. Imagine trying to clear this problem without the use of mobile cranes that can access sites quickly and lift and clear heavy loads such as a locomotive. Not a day goes by that cranes aren't being used to build infrastructure, support mining operations, maintain industry, and attend emergencies. They help load and unload transports and are involved in an infinite number of other lifting tasks. But crane owners are finding it harder and harder to get to where they need to go due to regulations, road restrictions, and red tape in general. The Crane Industry Council of Australia is the peak body representing crane owners, crane hire companies, and manufacturers in Australia. We're working hard with government bodies and municipal councils across Australia to make the crane industry an efficient and safe one. Crane owners are purchasing newer, more road-friendly and safe cranes, but we need quick and safe access to our roads and bridges to remain competitive in the world economy. It's in everyone's interest to be successful in this quest, because no cranes on the skyline means our economy is in trouble.